Assalamu alaikum students, this is Farwa Batul, your O-level computer science instructor, and welcome to another video. Since we have started chapter number 8 programming, so this is going to be the first activity, activity 8.1, which says that write and test Hello World program in your chosen programming language. So the language that I have chosen for programming here is Java, because in your book there are three languages you can work on: Python, Java, and Visual Basic. So I will be working on Java since it's a very vast language. It is open source, and here you can develop anything like websites, mobile applications, and desktop applications, and much more. So the code is easily available since a lot of people are working on Java, so you can find the code without any difficulty. Okay, so for Java, what you have to do first of all, whenever you want to program, you have to install an IDE for your programming language. What is IDE? IDE is basically called the Interactive Development Environment. Let me just write it for you. Interactive Development Environment. It is basically the platform where you can program. So for Java, I have installed, there are a lot of options for you. You can download Eclipse, BlueJ, but for me, I have used Intel IG. This is one of the best Intel IG idea. IDE, it is best IDE for Java that is widely used nowadays. So what you can do, you can simply download it and install it, but remember to download the community version because that is free. And one more thing, I have already made a video for how you can download and install it in your Windows. If you are using Windows operating system, you can simply watch the previous video, and please go and download Intel IG so you can start programming on Java. Now let me go to my desktop here. If you see, there is an icon for Intel IG IDEA. This is the educational edition or the community version. What you can do, you can simply go and open it, click enter. Okay, here we go. Now you have to create a new project. It takes a little time. Okay, here you will be creating a new project. Look at the top, just click on new project. Okay, now you have to name your project. Let me just quickly name it as Hello World. Okay, once you are done with this, you just go ahead. All the other settings are fine. Just go to the create button and wait for it. Okay, look at this. The project is created for us. There are a lot of folders on your left hand side. You must know that where, in which file you must program. Okay, so look at here on your left side, there is a source folder. You need to open it, and inside the source folder, you can see this main. It's a class. You will open this. Look at this. It's a public class main. Since it's an object oriented programming, so you will be working in classes. Okay. Every class has a function with its name. So look at this. It's a function, or we call it a method with the name of the class main. Okay, it returns nothing. It is written public static void. It's a return value which is 0. Void means nothing. The method is going to return nothing, and in the brackets there is a parameter. This is string args. So this is basically by default. The whole code will be written as it is. Now where you need to code, you need to code inside this main function. So let me just quickly erase this and write this line again for you. According to activity 8.1, you have to display a message to the user which is hello world. So for this, I will be using an output statement in Java. Okay, so the output statement will be system dot out, out is for output, dot print line, print, print ln. Here we go. Now what you have to do, there are brackets and you have to close the statement. Your line of code must be closed with this semicolon. Okay, next what you have to do, inside the bracket you will write down your message in quotations. So what I will be doing, I will just write hello world that I want to show to the user as a display. So this is hello world message. Now what I need to do, look at this bulb, what it is saying. You need to import java.language. Okay, let's import this. Why? Because this is a library. You need to import such things so that your methods can easily work. Since you are using a system method, either you have to import this library java.language.system.out, or you can just simply do what I have already done before. Just write down this system.out.print line hello world. Now what you will be doing, you will execute this program by going at the top right corner of your screen. Look at this green triangle. Just click on this and wait for the program. First it will build, then it will run, execute, and then it will show us the result. Okay, let's wait for our result. Okay, here we go. You can just simply see the result down here in the window. The result is hello world. So this is what you have to do in activity 8.1. You just need to show a display message. Instead of hello world, you can just simply write anything else over here. So here in this video, you have seen that where exactly you have to code. You have to go to the source folder, and inside that there is a class named as main. Inside this class, there is a method with the name of class main, and inside that your program will be written. So you have just written a display message hello world by using system.out.println as your command. And here on the top right is your run button to run the program. So this is all for this video. In the next video, we will be starting with our variables and constants. So stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.